Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic teriyaki sauce. All you needed are a few simple ingredients: fresh garlic and ginger, mirin, soy sauce, brown sugar, and honey. Finely grate half teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of garlic. Grated ginger and garlic will intensify their flavor. Add in 1 teaspoon of oil. Brown the garlic and ginger over medium heat. Turn the heat to low. Add in 4 tablespoons of mirin. If you don't have mirin, use water, dried white wine, or sake instead. However, mirin will add a little more authentic taste to the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to mimic the sweetness of mirin if you use other substitutes. Simmer to thicken the sauce. The thickness of the sauce will depend upon your use. To use it as a salad dressing, simply mix well everything and simmer it for a minute or so. For topping or serving on that side, we started off with 6 tablespoons of liquid. We juice it down to about 5 tablespoons. Should give you a pretty good consistency of the sauce. Just keep in mind, the sauce will continue to thicken as it cools. When the sauce reaches your desired thickness, turn off the heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Do not add the honey in too early. Excess heat will degrade the beneficial enzymes and also affect the flavor of the honey. Mix well and the sauce is done. If you prefer fine textured, run the sauce through a mesh strainer to remove the garlic and ginger. You would love this teriyaki sauce if you like sweet. The sauce can be used in a great variety of things: salad dressing, topping, side, stir-fry, marinade. It really has no limitation to its application. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.